Hi, this is Chris, and someone asked me to do a tutorial on this version of Smile that I played on one of my videos. So I'm going to try to give you a close-up of at least the left hand to see if it'll help you figure it out. As usual, I don't know the names of a lot of chords I'm playing, so let me just play through it quickly, and then I'll slow down and break it down a little bit. Okay, first chord is it starts out as an E7th, and I'm adding that fourth finger, fourth fret. And then just sliding up these two and slide them back down. And then just back to that chord. And then I pick out the notes. And then I've got this chord, those two in the fourth fret and this one in the second fret. And I'm playing that E bass open if it matters. And then I bar the second and play the sixth and fourth and the fourth. Pick up these notes and then just slide those two down. I think that's an F sharp major seventh. What's that, a C sharp seventh? And then another F sharp major seventh with this A note. Back to A minor seventh. And that's a ninth chord with that A flat added. Wow. Okay, I've got second fret, B string, fifth string, second fret. Then I'm flattening out my index finger on those other three, and then you see I got the second fret with those other two, and then back to. So maybe that'll help. I'm not sure. Hope it will.